What is going on, guys? So today's video, we're trying something new. We are. The girls are with me. We are going to install these replacement wheel covers. Wheel covers, correct? Because remember last time when Daddy hit something?
Yeah.
And then you're trying to make me feel better?
Yes.
Yeah, we curved the wheel right here. Boom. And then right here. Then another one. And then right here.
Right here.
Yeah. And then unfortunately these wheel caps, nidile, right? It doesn't protect the actual outer rim itself.
And this one spot.
Yeah. So then these tires, I believe they're 255/40. Right here. We're looking at 255.
Yeah.
Right, 45 19s.
19. No, it's falling away.
It's gonna fly away soon. What we're gonna do is I think it should be pretty easy. Alright, so the aftermarket wheels gave us this tool right here to help us remove the covers. What I realized was removing the stock covers, I don't need that tool at all. Simply just use your hand, remove each spoke, one at a time. And after that, I just removed it by grabbing two spokes. And then the center cap falls off. Here's how it looks from factory. Well, here I'm describing the outer edge, the part where I curb ratched. By using the aftermarket rim, I was able to protect everything. And if I had these wheel covers sooner, then the wheel covers would have been damaged and not the alloy rim itself. And after wiping it a little bit, I decided to just do a full test run and see how it looks. But here I am, aligning the cutout with the tire stem. And from here, I'm just going to pop in each spoke, one at a time. Having some difficulty by pushing the center cap. But after squeezing each spoke, everything just snapped into place. Snaps in with a satisfying click. But again, since I'm not recording, because the input was actually the Tesla, so I'm here talking in the whole video, didn't realize that what I'm picking up is actually the interior cabin noise where the girls were watching their Peppa Pig. And here you see the difference between the OEM 19 crossflow wheels, the covers, versus the aftermarket. Alright, so that is the quick video of this installation. It's kind of just pop it in, pop it out, pop it in. Let me know what you guys think. I'm kind of about the whole look itself because of the exposed interior, the calipers, the rotors. I do prefer, actually, after taking a look, the darker look overall. But do I regret getting these? I mean, it's better coverage, but in terms of like the sidewalls, it makes it look a little bit taller, thicker, exposes the 45s. Yeah, but I like the machine type of finish, the mimic of it. It's still all plastic, but in this all blacked out or pretty much blacked out car, it does give it kind of some contrast. It does give it some black. The tires doesn't look like it's like kind of one piece, but I do prefer that after taking a look at this. So I might just pop these out, but it does give this more protection. Center caps, they do give you some center caps where they'll stick on. They're fake, chromed out Tesla logo. I'm not really a fan of it, so I might just leave it like that. In terms of taking it out, it's just easy as popping it out. You don't even need the tool that they gave us. Just pop it out by each spoke and it should be good to go. So I'll leave it on here for about maybe a week or so and see how it does with the whole book itself. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll link them in the description down below, or remind me in the comments if I forget. But on that note, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Aye, my crumbs, baby. Okay, let's go. We gotta go. Say goodbye.
Bye. See.
Wow, what is
Hello.
that? What is that?
Hello.
Mousy, you're tripping some stuff right here. Interestingly enough, this area, the steering wheel, this design matches the aftermarket wheel covers. But overall, what do you girls think? Do you like the new wheel covers?
Yeah.
You do? Wait, I didn't even show you. Let me show you. Okay? Okay, we're gonna go. Oh yeah, it's dirty. Because it's raining. Remember these designs, babies? Mommy, remember these wheel designs? Can you come over and look? Watch your step. Watch your step. You like these? Right here. You like this one better?
I like that one.
Or that one? The original ones. You like these? You like the new ones? Really?
Let me see. Let me go over there.
Yeah.
It's the same as
Same as the front. Watch your back, Mommy.
Oh, same. Oh, so you only changed one?
Yeah, I just wanted to test it.
Why you pick that one? Because it's all black. It's just one.
Right? I thought the original was better too.
No. Yeah, that one better.
Original better? Yeah.
You like that one?
The girls.
How about this one? New one? This one?